Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install Notepad++ in your Windows operating system. And also, we will write in Notepad a HTML code and run it in our browser. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we will go to our Chrome browser and then search over here Notepad++. Here you can see, and click on download Notepad++. And after that, here we are in the latest version called download Notepad++ version 8.67. So click on that, and after that there will be a download section that download Notepad++ Explorer. To click on that download section, and here you can see the download is started and it's downloaded. Here you can see. So right for install, you need to click on it 2 times, and there will be a permission come. Click yes, and now minimize the browser. And here you can see installation section of Notepad++. So first, install a language. Select the language, your preferable language. There are a lot of options, so I chose English for my preferable language. Click OK, and here you will get welcome to Notepad++ version 8.67 setup wizard. So click next and click on I agree and leave the file as default. Click next, and after that click next as well. And now create a shortcut on desktop, check it, and after that click install. And by this the installation will be completed. Here you can see, and then click finish. So after that, here you can see the Notepad++ is right here open. So first, here you can see that all the latest version and all the features are over here. So now what we will do, we'll create a new file like this and uncheck the previous one. And now what we will gonna do, we will write a HTML program here and we will run it into our browser. First, we will click on file to save it as first we will remove it and write index.html, and now we will save as type is, so now we will save as type is all types, and click save. Click yes, save, and now we will write the code over here, index. Now we'll write the code over here. The first we'll write HTML, and then we will write title like this. Now we will write title, and now we will close the title by closing title, and now we will close the HTML over here. Like this. And now we will give the title name as hello, and now we will create in, and now we will give a body over here like this, and then close the body tag by this, and now we will write in the body called give a h1 tag, and then write hello world over here, and now close the body tag by h1. And then after writing all of them, we will save it by click on save. So after writing all of them and click on save, here you can see that there is icon Google Chrome showing, and it is the index.html file. So click on that to Google Chrome. Okay, and here you can see that we created an index file over here called hello world. Here you can see. So this is how you can install Notepad in your Windows operating system, and this is how you can work with this Notepad I showed you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, bye.